Hello. Today, I am going to talk about the UAE labour law and how is it important for the HR professionals and business owners. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more useful update. Also, if you want to enhance your knowledge, we have recommended book list in the description box. The UAE labour law of 2021 marks a pivotal shift in employment regulations. It's not just an update, it's a complete overhaul aimed at modernising the labour market and enhancing employee protections. This new law aligns with international standards, ensuring that the UAE remains competitive globally. But what does this mean for you and your organisation? Let's dive deeper. The new law applies to all private sector employees, including those in free zones unless specific regulations state otherwise. However, it excludes federal and government employees, domestic and agricultural workers. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for HR professionals to ensure compliance and avoid potential legal pitfalls. Let's explore the exceptions and special cases further. Say goodbye to unlimited contracts. The new law mandates fixed-term contracts with a duration of 2 years, renewable by mutual agreement. Contracts must be written in Arabic, with an optional translation in another language. Employers must provide a copy of the contract to the employee. Probation periods are capped at 6 months. During this time, either party can terminate the contract with a 14-day notice, but employees can't switch employers without mutual consent. Standard working hours are set at 8 hours per day or 48 hours per week. Overtime is compensated at 125% on weekdays and 150% on weekends or public holidays. Leave entitlements have been updated too. Employees now enjoy 30 days of annual leave, up to 90 days of sick leave, and 60 days of maternity leave, among others. Termination of employment under UAE. Labour laws has two aspects, and the first one is the termination of employment by employer. Employers can terminate an employee's limited contract only with valid reasons, such as poor performance, misconduct, or other legitimate grounds. The termination process includes a mandatory notice period ranging from 30 to 90 days, as stipulated in the employment contract. Employees are entitled to end-of-service benefits, provided the termination is lawful and not due to gross misconduct. Second is the termination by employee. Employees under limited contracts can terminate their employment by providing a 30 days notice to the employer, resigning without notice if the employer breaches contractual obligations or violates UAE labour law. End-of-service gratuity. Employees are entitled to gratuity payments based on their years of service. 21 days salary per year for the first 5 years of service, 30 days salary per year for each year after 5 years. It's important to note that employees dismissed for gross misconduct are not eligible for end-of-service gratuity. If you want a video on how to calculate the gratuity in the UAE, we already created a video and you can visit the playlist. Gratuity is calculated at 21 days salary for each year of service for the first 5 years, increasing to 30 days thereafter. However, misconduct can nullify this benefit. Non-compete clauses are enforceable if they are reasonable in scope, geographic area, and protect legitimate business interests. They must not exceed 2 years. The law prohibits discrimination based on race, colour, sex, religion, nationality, or disability, ensuring a safe and harassment-free workplace for all employees. Salaries must be paid in AED through the wage protection system at least once a month. Deductions are limited to 50% of the salary. Employers are responsible for providing a safe working environment, while employees must adhere to health and safety regulations. Compliance is non-negotiable. Ensure all employment contracts align with the new law. Implement policies to prevent workplace discrimination and harassment, and stay informed on the latest provisions. Train your team on these changes. By doing so, you'll foster a compliant, safe, and inclusive workplace, benefiting both employees and the organization. Recap. We've covered the major changes in the UAE Labour Law 2021, from contracts to employee rights. These updates are crucial for maintaining compliance and protecting your workforce. By understanding and implementing these changes, you'll ensure your organization remains competitive and compliant in the evolving labour market. Call to action: stay proactive. Review your current policies and contracts and make necessary adjustments. Engage with legal experts if needed to ensure full compliance. Let's continue to foster a fair and dynamic workplace. Together, we can navigate these changes and create a better future for all employees in the UAE.